Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to teach you today how to replace a gear shifter boot, or not the boot, the seal on a Hilux 2-wheel drive LN169. So I've just taken the center console out, and there's just a bolt here, bolt there, bolt there, bolt there, just a Phillips head screwdriver, and then there's another few 10mm bolts, or you can get it with a heavy screwdriver and you just undo them, and then the sleeve will come right out. Just pull that out like that, and then you've got access to this. And as you can see, this is well and truly destroyed. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but like that's in gear there, and it should not move like that, and this thing's pretty well undrivable. And so what we've got to do now is we've got another secondary boot here, and we've just got to lift this boot up here like so. That boot's pretty well split and destroyed, but anyway, you just keep on going. Let's get this boot up here, and then you're going to get access to this this ring, and all you have to do is push this down and twist. But I'm not going to be able to do it with one hand, so yeah, but there's like a metal ring. You see the metal ring on the inside there? So you just got to push that thing down, and then you twist it, and it should come straight out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now, and it should just pop out straight away after that. And I'll show you the new parts that I got, and I'll show you how to install a new one. Alright, so I've just pulled that out. And yeah, all I did was just push those that inner thing in and turn it, and then it just slips straight out. So I've got the whole shifter assembly here, and there's also a rubber O-ring, so you put your finger down in here and you should be able to feel it, and you just pop right out, and there's your little rubber O-ring seal. So yeah, we need to get rid of that as well. And so yeah, we've got to replace this and the locking mechanism and the seal. So that's what we're going to be replacing today and make it feel like a brand new shifter. So I'll show you my new parts now, so yeah, bear with me for 2 seconds, and I'll catch you in 2 seconds and show you. Alright, so I've just pulled the shifter out, and so that's the shifter that's come out of it. So and these are all the new parts here. So we've got the ball that goes in the end there. That's what's destroyed, I reckon. It's yeah, all bored out and worn out. That's the new sleeve, and that'll go and replace that. That's just a locking mechanism. That's that thing you push down and turn, and it locks in, as you can see there. Like, push it down and it locks itself in, so the shifter can't fall out. And that's just the seal that goes into the actual box itself. So I'm just gonna be pulling it all apart now. So yeah, you just gotta just reef it off. Usually just throw it in a vise or whatever, and yeah, it should be all fine. Yeah, you can use whatever, but I'm just gonna go and put it in a vise and knock that out, or use a hammer or something, pop it out, and yeah, I'll show you how to put the new one in. Alright, so I've just used a screwdriver here and a hammer, and I've just put the screwdriver into there, and I've just knocked the old one off here, and like it's all deformed and destroyed. And so, and then you just put that on the ground and you just get it, and it's as simple as putting it square, and you just push it down. So you just push it down and it just pops on, or you just give it a hit, and yeah, she's stuck on there now. I was going to replace this, but I don't even see why you would need to. So, and I believe you have to take this boot off, but I can't get over this lip, so I'm just going to put it in. I'm just not going to put it in, but I've got a new seal there. So now all we've got to do right now is just throw it back in the car. So we'll hop back in the cockpit there, and we'll just throw it back in. So bear with me 1 second. We'll head straight back to the car. Alright, so now we're back in the cockpit here. So there's a flat side. So the flat side goes down, and you just got to put it straight into the hole right there. And yep, just force it down in there. Push that down, like so, and then we're just going to put the stick right in there, and it should pop into spot, and then we can just put that ring back in. But I need 2 hands to do this. So you've seen that ring, how I got that before. You gotta move it into the right position and just push it down and turn it and lock in, and it should hold into spot there. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll see you in 2 seconds. Okay guys, so I've just slipped the shifter in right there, and I just gave it a little bit of a tap with a flathead screwdriver, just to make sure the bush in the bottom was actually seated. And you can see that there is a tab here and there, and you can line it up and just give it a slight little tap, and the shifter will protrude down. And then all you do with this is you push them down with 2 hands, and push it down and then turn it, and it should lock into place. And so, well, it shifts really nicely now. So 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and reverse, and there's no give like in any gear anymore, so it's perfect. So I'm just gonna throw the boot back on now and just do the other bolts together, and that's it. So that's pretty well it. So thank you for watching this video today. So I hope I help you out, and you should be shifting like a brand new car. So bye.